In this video, we'll look at the file upload question type. So from the question type dropdown, we'll select file upload. And this allows the student to upload a file for a question. And this is another question type that is not auto-graded. So this is another one that if you use this question type, the instructor is going to have to manually grade these things. However, it's a pretty nice question type. So there's some options within writing questions help. So if we go and we look at what our options are, there's no required variables. You can do things like set score method equals take anything so that students get full credit no matter what they upload. And then you can indicate where you want the answer box to be, things like that. So not a whole lot of options. So we'll just throw together some dummy text. So something like upload your paper homework for section 3.4. I don't know. And then we can place the answer box if we want to. We can place that there. And then when we save and preview, we're going to see we get this text that we added, and then we just have this choose file button sitting after it. So this is just going to use the computer's native file upload feature. The student's going to upload a file and send it right in. So what I'm going to do is pull open a student view to see what this looks like. Okay, so I have a student view pulled open. I'm just logged in as a student. And we can press this choose file button. I'm just going to find a PDF file that I have sitting on my computer. And then we'll select it and then press submit. And then the student should get some feedback. So it'll say upload of the PDF is successful. It tells them that they have 0 out of 1. And then it has asterisk. It's not auto-graded. And then it'll say some stuff about how the grading works. So now I'm going to pull open the teacher view real quick. Okay, so now I have the teacher view pulled open. I have the course homepage, and that question was sitting in this sample assessment. So if I go to the gear icon, and then I click on grades from the drop down, it's going to pull open my list of questions. I only had this single question in there, but the ones that need manual grading are going to be highlighted. So we see that this grade link is highlighted. So if we click on that, it's going to pull open all the students' work. So if we had more than one student, it would show all of them here. And so we see that the last file uploaded, it gives us a link to that file, so we could open it with that link. And there's also this little plus button to the right side. You click on that, it's going to drop down a preview, and it actually allows you to preview the file right within the page here. So I'll zoom out a little bit to what normal view. And so we can either make this larger and pull this open in like a full view, or we can view it inline. And then what we can do is give some feedback to students. So we can set the score. So maybe John Doe gave great answer, so we can give him 1 point out of 1. And then we can also give question feedback. So we can give some response here. Great work. Maybe think about something. So we can add some feedback there. Quick save it, and it'll save it in lifetime, or you can batch save it and save all of the responses at once. So we can save that there, and now we see that John's going to have 100% on his end, and so now we're good to go. So the file upload is not manually graded, but it is pretty convenient for students to upload various files, like maybe images or PDFs or Word documents, and then on the instructor's end, they can quickly go in and see what the student uploaded, give a score, and write some quick feedback on their work.